Sooner or later, someone at the table asks a hard question. How old is that pump? When did we last work on it? What has it cost us over the last 3 years? And in most small water systems, the honest answer is nobody knows, or one person knows, and he is 3 years from retirement. That is not a staff failure, it's a system gap. The work order system is how AMP OS closes it. A work order is one simple record of one job, 7 fields, no more, the work order number and date, the asset ID, a priority tier, what was wrong and what was done, the hours and the cost, a condition score from 1 to 5, and a yes or no follow-up flag for the capital plan. It can be a paper form and clipboard. It can be a shared spreadsheet. The platform does not matter at launch. The fields do. A paper form with the right fields beats expensive software with the wrong ones. Here is where it fits into the AMP OS. The asset management plan is a single source of truth about what the utility owns, but a plan written once is a snapshot, and it starts going stale the day you adopt it. The work order system is what keeps it alive. Every job runs against a specific asset ID. Every closed work order carries a fresh condition score and the real cost of the work. That data flows straight back into the plan, updates remaining life, and recalculates risk. When an asset crosses the threshold this board had set, the system flags it as a capital project candidate automatically. The capital improvement plan then drives the budget, the rate discussion, the funding application, and completed projects come back in as new assets, and the loop runs again. The work order system is steps 2 through 5 of that loop. Without it, there is new loop. There is just a binder. 2 rules carry almost all the weight. First, an asset ID on everything. No work order exists without it. One. That single rule is what connects the plan, the work, and the capital budget into one system instead of 3 disconnected tools. Second, a condition score at closeout. Before the crew leaves, they rate the asset 1 to 5. It takes 30 seconds, and the crew is already standing there. That one habit keeps the entire plan current at no additional cost. It is the highest leverage thing in the system. So, what does the board get for it? 4 things. Funding credibility. Every state runs a drinking water state revolving fund program, and funding agencies are required to evaluate managerial and financial capacity. Cost history by asset is what turns a project request into a defensible application. Work orders are how you get that history. Rate defensibility. When you go to customers for a rate increase, documented costs and condition data is the difference between a judgment call and an argument you can show. Third, knowledge retention. If your senior operator retired tomorrow, what leaves with him? Work orders are how that knowledge stays in the utility instead of walking out the door. And performance you can actually measure. Response times against your adapted level of service targets. Repeat failures by asset. Preventive versus reactive work. For many small systems, that is the first real performance data in their history. So, what does it cost? Being straight with you, about 2 minutes per job per operator, and a 15-minute standing meeting each week to post the updates. The forum launches in week 4 of implementation as soon as the first asset IDs exist, not after the plan is finished. The measure of success in the first year is not perfect data, it is adoption. 90% of field work flowing through work orders for 4 straight weeks. That is the gate. The asset management plan tells you what you own. The work order system is what keeps that answer true. Everything else in AMP-OS, the capital plan, the budget, the funding application, depends on the data these forms collect. The ask is straightforward. Adopt the approach, name 3 roles, and let the form go live in week 4. Look for my extended work order system video where I go into depth with the details. That is my email address, and I invite you to email me about AMP-OS. Thank you.